Hello, welcome to Algorithms. My name is Saurabh, and today we are going to discuss about retail product recommendations using Azure AI services. A deep understanding between customer interest and purchasing pattern is a critical component of any retail business intelligence solution. Now we know that a typical retail business collects customer data through a variety of channels, including web browsing pattern, purchase behaviors, demographics, and other session-based web data. And some data originates from core business operations, and some data is pulled and joined from external sources like partners, manufacturers, etc. And it is a no surprise that many businesses are leveraging only a small portion of data, but in order to maximize their ROI, they need to integrate all relevant heterogeneous data sources, not what they have done in the past, where they used different data sources and they consumed a lot of effort uh, to set up those resources. Now, this solution describes a simple scalable approach so that you can integrate analytics and machine learning to predict customer purchasing activity. Now let's talk about the architecture. So this solution addresses couple of issues. First of all, you are uniformly accessing data from multiple data sources, minimizing the data movement and system complexity in order to boost the performance. Performing ETL and feature engineering needed to use predictive machine learning model. Creating a comprehensive customer 360-degree profile enriched by predictive analytics, running across a distributed system backed by Azure HD Insight. Now, what is happening in this case? We have created a Python web job that is creating sample data that goes to which are actually simulated customer events that are going to Event Hub, and then from the Event Hub, Stream Analytics job is reading data and performing aggregations, and all these aggregations are grouped based upon time and being stored on Azure storage, blob storage. After that, a Spark job running in HD Insight merges the latest customer browsing data with the historical purchase and demographic data to build a consolidated user profile. Now, in this case, we are considering that customer has already visited your website and made some purchase in the past as well, and that's where we are considering, okay, if the customer has visited, purchased product, so what is the history and how do we consolidate the profile with the existing data and the history data. So this is what we are doing in this step 4. Now the second or the fifth step is more about scoring customer profile using a machine learning model to predict future purchasing pattern. So what we are trying to say is, what is the likelihood of a customer to make a purchase in next couple of days, weeks, and so on and so forth, and what sort of product category they are going to uh, uh, buy. So these are the two areas that we are predicting: the product category and the likelihood when. The last one is more about predictions and other profile data that you can visualize and share as a chart and tables in Power BI online, and that's why we are using Power BI dashboard. So those who are interested in getting Power BI dashboard, they can write an email to me. Not Don't drop a comment in the YouTube or LinkedIn. Send me an email: info@algorithms.com, saurabh@algorithms.com, sales@algorithms.com, whatever is appropriate. You can visit our website, and then I'm going to send you a dashboard. If you need this solution, I'll send you the solution as well, so you can do a POC, you can do a quick POC. But it all depends upon what sort of skill sets you have within your organization. If you don't have the skill set, it just getting this solution and Power BI dashboard is not very helpful. But yes, those who want to do a POC, they want to build and monetize on top of the data they have within their organization, retail organization, they can definitely go for it. So drop me an email if you need a dashboard, send me a message, and I'll get back to you. Okay, thank you very much for watching and have a great day.